Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the processional.
Please be seated. Before we begin the formal ceremony, let me remind you to silence your cell phones and be courteous to those around you by quietly attending to the speakers throughout the ceremony. Good afternoon. My name is Stephanie Adams, and I'm the Dean of the Erik Jonsson School of Engineering and Computer Science. Thank you for joining us here today, and for those of you watching from other countries, thank you for potentially disrupting your sleep so that you could watch the ceremony in real time to support your graduate. The Jonsson School currently has more than 8,700 students enrolled, and today we celebrate 722 graduates this semester. That's 461 students who earned bachelor's degrees, 219 students who earned master's degrees, and 42 students who earned their doctorate. I have two questions for you today, our graduates, and they are from a very well-known quote. If not you, then who? If not now, then when? This quote has been credited to Hillel, a Jewish elder, but was popularized by people as varied as former presidents John F. Kennedy and Ronald Reagan, and former civil rights activist and American statesman John Lewis. The quote implies that a person should determine who they are and use it to change the world. Right now, the world needs you, the youthful engineers and computer scientists that you have become. So graduates, again, I ask, if not you, then who? If not now, then when? I may not have personally had the opportunity to meet each and every one of you, but by graduating today, I know some things about you. You are ambitious, creative, hardworking, probably a little bit geeky, but in a purely complimentary way, smart, and most definitely resilient. Some of you spent almost half of your time earning your bachelor's degree taking classes and labs online. Some of you spent the majority of your time earning a master's degree de-densifying, social distancing, masking, and giving people strange looks if they coughed or sneezed near you. Your presence here today suggests that you determined who you were and that you would not let anyone or anything deter you from your goals and dreams, and for that you're to be commended. Challenges, the kind typical of a college experience and the once-in-a-generation kind that you have endured, are what makes us resilient engineers and computer scientists. Consider the challenges the world faces. Failing physical infrastructures, attacks on cyber systems, the need to mitigate climate change, the desire to provide clean energy and water, and inequality in our communities, to name a few. The world needs your intelligence and problem-solving skills. It needs your creativity, your perspective, your ambition. It needs your curiosity and resilience. It needs your hope and collaborative spirit. The Jonsson School community and your experiences the past few years have taught you who you are. You are ready for these and the myriad of other challenges that will come your way. I am confident that if you maintain faith, focus, tenacity, and resilience, things you've already shown, that you will do great things. Embrace your full potential. Be the leader, the game changer, and innovator that you've already demonstrated that you are. So again, if not you, then who? If not now, then when? First, though, let's get you across this stage and to your celebrations with family and friends. During the presentation of graduates, we encourage you to express pride by applauding and cheering. This is a wonderful day for everyone, graduates, parents, family, and friends. I now have the privilege of introducing colleagues that are joining us today. I ask them to stand and remain standing, and I ask you, the audience, to hold applause until all introductions are complete. Dr. Richard C. Benson, President and Professor of Mechanical Engineering. Dr. Amy Walker, Associate Dean for Undergraduate Studies. Dr. Porus Balsara, Associate Dean for Graduate Studies. Dr. John Hansen, Associate Dean for Research. Dr. Lawrence Overzet, Department Head of Electrical and Computer Engineering. Dr. Jongbong Lee, Associate Department Head of Electrical and Computer Engineering. Dr. Nafol Al-Dahir, Associate Department Head of Electrical and Computer Engineering. Dr. Joshua Summers, Department Head of Mechanical Engineering. Dr. Don Queen, Associate Department Head of Mechanical Engineering. Dr. Arif Malik, Associate Department Head of Mechanical Engineering, and Dr. Manuel Quevedo Lopez, Department Head of Material Sciences and Engineering. And other faculty participating today from our departments, please stand and be recognized. Thank you, and please be seated. To introduce today's student speaker, it is my pleasure to welcome Dr. Porus Balsara, Associate Dean of the Erik Jonsson School of Engineering and Computer Science.
Our student speaker came to us from India and is graduating today with a PhD in computer engineering. She completed her master's degree in computer engineering in 2018 from the Erik Jonsson School of Engineering and Computer Science at UT Dallas. And since then, she has been serving as a research assistant with the Center for Robust Speech Systems. The main focus of her PhD work was to support the advancements in assisted hearing devices like cochlear implants and hearing aids. Over the past 3 years, she has presented her research at a number of international IEEE conferences and publications. Apart from her research, she has been involved in several organizations on campus, including the IEEE Student Chapter, Women Who Compute Club, and twice been nominated as a president of the Fridays Toastmasters Club. She has also been actively volunteering and presenting her research at STEM conferences for girls through the Society of Women Engineers and the Grace Hopper Celebration platforms. After graduation, she plans to join 3M as a senior research engineer to further support the medical device manufacturing industry. Students, please welcome your classmate, Riya Ghosh.
Thank you, Dr. Balsara. I open at the close. I don't know how many of you here are Harry Potter fans, but being a millennial, I surely am one. And this quote from the last book of the series has always helped me push my boundaries whenever I find a dead end. And here we are, at the end of one of our amazing educational journeys, awaiting for new opportunities to open for our future careers. President Benson, Dean Adams, distinguished faculty, and class of 2021. After fighting a very unpredictable battle and facing setbacks that we would never have imagined of, here we are, stronger and resilient than ever. From understanding critical concepts through online courses, to trying to live the college social life through virtual meets, and even standing out to our teams during remote internships, we all have come a long way in the past 2 years since the pandemic. Not to mention the smooth transitions that had to be made towards these online learning and remote campus interactions, for which each and every faculty and university staff had to go that extra mile to make sure our graduating timelines don't change. Also, a huge shout out to all the parents, including mine, who made sure that we survived through this and kept motivating us all throughout our journey. It feels so good to see life finally getting back to normal this fall semester. Being on campus since 2016, it has been a treat to have a first-hand experience at the rate at which UTD has developed in the past 5 years, both in terms of infrastructure and resources for our students. Every semester, UTD has presented us with multiple elements of surprise, making sure that our young, energetic minds never get bored. My all-time favorite is going to be the on-campus Starbucks with its fancy interiors for sure. Also, I think I might be a bit jealous that I did not get to take any classes in the ECS West building. It looks really cool though. This further reminds me of another Harry Potter quote, stated by Professor Dumbledore this time, which goes like, "Help will always be given at Hogwarts to those who ask for it." And UTD has been my Hogwarts, that magical school which has supported me from day one. Like some of you graduates, I was a naive, pretty clueless individual trying to figure out how to utilize my love for hardware and robotic design. And UTD just seemed to have known all the stepping stones that I needed to become the fully capable, confident individual that I am today. Starting from my first job as an on-campus dining hall server to a teaching assistant and getting student management skills to finally supporting hearing aid type medical device research, UTD, and especially my lab under Dr. Hansen, has helped me give back to the society in a really good way. In a nutshell, I believe that with UTD growing at such an amazing rate, being such a young school and battling against all the competition, we, as its current graduates, should also pledge to keep that kind of fire burning within us, just like a comet would, and never settle for less, even if the odds are against us. We have defeated something as huge as the pandemic. I mean, nothing can stop us now. And as Professor Dumbledore yet again said, soon we must all face the choice between what is right and what is easy. And I bet during the length of our degrees, we have realized how much more rewarding hard work is over shortcuts. So let's all be grateful, appreciate our post-pandemic lives, and work towards making the best out of our future careers. Class of 2021, once again, congratulations on this life-changing achievement, and I can't wait to show the world what we as Comets are capable of. Whoosh! It's now my pleasure to welcome to the podium your university president, Dr. Richard Benson. Thank you.
Thank you, Ria. That was a great speech. Worthy of Hermione, I think. So graduates, in your time at UT Dallas, you have been given a firm foundation to contend with and even thrive in a world that never ceases to change. And about that word change, one definition is to make someone or something different. So it is worth asking, how are you different since enrolling at UT Dallas? Did you connect your interests with your passions? We certainly do everything possible to ensure that you can do so as you progress toward the completion of your degree. And no doubt you have been challenged during your time here as you've learned from and collaborated with others, with your professors and classmates, of course, with your internship partners, and with librarians, coaches, and program directors. Countless people came into your life to mentor you, to support you, to challenge you, and most importantly, to believe in you. By allowing yourself to be challenged at UT Dallas and by accepting input from others, you changed, and for the better. You've acquired both the knowledge and experience to continue to adapt and succeed in a world that is often unpredictable. What you take away from this day is so much more than just a diploma. You leave with the knowledge that you are an accomplished student, someone who can forever learn new things. You have the ability to shape your future, and you have demonstrated the intellect and persistence needed to achieve your goals. There are few joys greater than the realization that you are smart and well-educated, with years of achievement and reward lying ahead of you. I'll be frank, I envy you. And I thank you. Thank you for choosing UT Dallas for your studies. Thank you for making the faculty, staff, and your fellow students better by your presence. And finally, thank you for using your education from this dynamic university, not only for yourself, but also for the well-being of society. Please stay connected with us and with each other. And as a graduate, you will always be welcome here. Congratulations, UT Dallas, class of 2021. I now invite to the podium the Undergraduate Associate Dean for the Erik Jonsson School of Engineering and Computer Science, Dr. Amy Walker.
Congratulations to all of our graduating students. To say that this year and years has thrown challenges in your path is, well, an understatement. You should all be extremely proud of your accomplishments. I would like to offer a special recognition of those students who graduated with honors. If you graduated with Service Honors, Latin Honors, Collegium Phi, or a member of Phi Kappa Phi, Tau Beta Phi, or Eta Kappa Nu, please stand as you are able. Congratulations to all of our graduates. Please be seated. It is now my particular honor to certify the candidates for undergraduate degrees. Will all candidates who are to receive the bachelor degree please rise if able and remain standing. President Benson, on behalf of the faculty, I certify to you that those candidates who have completed all of their academic requirements are entitled to receive their respective degrees. Candidates, please be seated. It is now my pleasure to welcome to the podium the Graduate Associate Dean, Dr. Boris Balsara.
Today's commencement ceremony is the highlight of the academic calendar. We gather to recognize and celebrate your dedication, hard work, and the glorious achievement of earning your degrees. I would also like to recognize the tremendous contributions, commitment, and sacrifices of the parents, families, and friends that help make this day a reality. Students succeed not only because of their own efforts, but also because of the support that they receive from families and friends. So to our graduates and families, congratulations, good luck, good success, and best wishes for a bright future. Will all candidates who are to receive their master's degree please rise as able and remain standing. President Benson, on behalf of the faculty, I certify that the candidates who have completed all of their academic requirements are entitled to receive their master's degrees. Candidates, please be seated. Earlier, a special recognition ceremony was conducted for graduating doctoral students. Each student who participated in this ceremony invited his or her advisor or another UT Dallas faculty member to assist the Dean of Graduate Education in placing the doctoral hood of their commencement regalia over their heads. The conferral signified the success of the candidate in completing his or her program of studies, leading to the highest academic degree offered at UT Dallas. Since the doctoral recipients are already hooded, it is now only remains for them to receive their diplomas. I ask that all doctoral candidates, doctoral degree recipients now stand as able to be recognized. Graduates, please be seated. I turn the podium back to President Benson.
So this is the moment, it's like a spell from Harry Potter. It's official. Magic is about to happen. So now, by the virtue of the authority vested by law on the Board of Regents of the University of Texas System, I confer upon each of you the respective academic degree for which you have been recommended, with all the rights, privileges, responsibilities, and obligations appertaining thereunto, and I offer my sincere congratulations. Congratulations. I now turn it back to Dean Adams for the formal recognition of degrees.
Thank you, President Benson. As Dean, it is my privilege to congratulate and formally recognize the graduating class of 2021 for the Erik Jonsson School of Engineering and Computer Science. I now invite all graduates to cross the stage. Audience, please listen carefully for your graduate's name as they cross the stage by degree, but not in alphabetical order.
Graduates receiving a baccalaureate degree, please come forward as your name is called. Ivan Alejandro Pantoja. Caleb Perez. Mariela Guadalupe Ramirez. Jordan Lynn Ryder.
Yi Pang.
Anita Law. Benjamin Matthew Roy. Jonathan German. Omar Ayman Abdel. Andrew David Dulesky. Ennis David Brown. Connor Patrick DeCamp. Michael Christopher D'Annunzio. Christian Williams Engelmeyer. Sangeeta Tatanini. Sejetayer Zahra. Luis Anthony Avila. Robert Deshaun Woods. Afra Syra Salim. Lakshmi Priyanka Punakolo. Siddharth Sai Vadlamani. Nicholas James Zahabi Zada. Michael Kwok Viet Lee. Jignesh Mangarolia. Ellington James Shepard. Brian Viet Pham. Rishabh Manakandan Nair. Arvind Narayanan. Donald Kerrigan Kelly. Tanner Addison Deutsch. Aaron Lane Brown. Timothy Jacob Brown. Micah Gerald Henley. Brandon Emsley Bearden. Christian Benjamin Duffy. Wesley Hayden Brigner. Alexander Philip Daggett. Joshua Frederick Dastug. Connor William Gray. Andrew Nicholas Gallegos. Maria Lisbeth Flores. David Song. Ikechukwu Michael Oza Okaro. James Travis Pitts. Jacob Anthony Noonan. Nicholas Ruben Rodriguez. Ha Hui Hong Nguyen. Dustin Elliott Martin. Samiha Wafi Sharif. Eduardo Herbert. Connor William Herman. Jared Vio Luckenbaugh. Hai Shuen Nuo. Alexi Poshan. Imran Hussein. Thor Westergaard. James Min Hung Tran. Claude Nyensenga Dubois. Brandon Bond. Walter Esteban Sosa Portillo. Andrew Arthur Vernum. Jaya Joannis Starks. Mateo Josue Sarmiento. Esau Sanchez. Teresa New Quinn Wynn. Brittany Nicole Parga. David Ryan Patterson. Andrew Martin Shota, Jr. Rebecca Lynn Choate. Jonathan Alexander Daniels. Michelle Lee Davis. Nadine Mpiwa Chebwith. Armando Isai Colmenero.
This is a big group, all right? Thanks. That'll work. Cool. Thanks.
James David Benefield. Brandon Alexander Bird. Anthony Gerald Convery. Victor M. Cruz.
Yeah, Victor.
Noé A. Benavides. Jonathan Joseph Arredondo. Jeremy Stephen Stufflebeam. Dan Fong Wei. Jose Roberto Soberanes. Alejandro Hernandez. Patrick Norman Hoover. Alexander Michael Gomez. Alvin Yenjan Shea. Tarcisio Rodriguez. Sai Siddharth Dometi. Quillen Theodore Izu Dean. Jesse Galindo. Andrew Quinn Hudson. Brent Robert Golden. John Edward Hernandez. Andres Diaz. Kane Patrick Aguilon Bobier. Jonathan Iram Cortez. Bangman Mang. Hassan Ali Khatri. Furkan Jangda. Lloyd Chavarria Lara II. Mohammed Jayusi. Joash Philip Matthew. Namhyun Kim. Randon Pando Johnson. Melissa Marie Leffingwell. Andrew Leroy Louie. Andres Hidalgo III. Taylor Ryan Hollers. Luis Hernandez. Eniola Oyindomola Oyabada. Dat T. Pham. Nguyen Din Nguyen. Sheju Tisha. Rishabh Sanjay Fadke. Mohammed Owais. Nicholas Ramirez. Ogene Yome Divine Odara. Samin Rajabali. Taha Wasif Qureshi. Colin Michael Olson. Kasai Jayusi. Luis Jose Mendoza Molina. Mudasir Taylor. Joe Daniel Torres. Alton Gerald Spears. Zachary Stevenson. Christopher Douglas Simpson. Hazael Vega Rodriguez. Braden Clark Schramm. Vikraman Sendel. Alyssa Marie Vellucci. Cameron Lee Thomas. Jalen Jordan Weber. Daniel Nicholas Villasenor. Randall John Sarter. Rahul Verma. Lisa Zoe. Kenny Ki Kaing Pham. Daniel Ryan Zanotti. Andrew Ryan Welnack. Q Hong Wong. Andrew Phi Nguyen.
Graduates receiving a master's degree, please come forward as your name is called. Kavya Chaudhry Chirakuri. Shrivani Kuchibotla. Omar Khalid Abbas. Benjamin Thomas Fields. Abhishek Jagdish Gadigankar. Shrikara Mokshagundam. Shashank Satish. Sharanya Satish. Hansika Venkataraman. James Michael Fasolino. Jose Luis Guerrero. Mahareen Sultana Tazri. Ting Wei Wu. Vasuki Shankar. Lavanya Kumaran. Kalpana Priyanka Nalamothula. Hope Elizabeth Schneider. Mark Ingram. Satvik Agarwal. Vrunda. Soumya Srivastav. Neethu Shaji Jose. Animesh Katyayan. Varun Narendra Kumar Jain. Ashwini Modam. Shraddha Debata. Puyan Brandon Jabadzadeh. Sayud Syed Madani. Akil Amiraneni. Abhishek Varun Bhaskar. Rakesh Krishna Katakam. Karthik Dharmalingam.
Chaitanya Kalaru.
Vainith Budamkayala. Vishnu Vardhan Damarcharla. Stuti Shrivastava. Jason Maximilian Hoff. Adam Blake Hartman.
Mehul Shekhar Archan.
Mohammed Sadman Saqib. Robin Jungyang Chow. Hussein Safawi. Donovan McNair. Abisha Jayantilal Kotadia. Sanskriti Sharma. Palawi Kumari. Pavani Saparapu.
Emmanuel Joseph Eju.
Ishita Paul. Soundarya Srinivasan. Mariam Mahmoodi. Tin Fu Din. Sai Kiran Voruganti. Graduates receiving a doctoral degree, please come forward as your name is called. Ria Ghosh. Kudra Hamid Baruti. Timothy Curtis Kogan. Kusha Sridhar Hulia Sridhara Murthy. Jinbo Liu. Akshay Sahota. Dong Yan. Venkata Pawan Kumar Yeleswarapu. Ji Young Moon. Lakshmi Narayanan Mosur Suravana Murthy. Diana Lynn Alatalo. Yara Al-Mubarak. Yuan Zhu Liu. Shu Long Yao. Akash Anil Kumar Laturia. Mohammed Fuad Marzban. This concludes the presentation of degrees.
Well, they always say that you save the best for last, but certainly you guys have been the loudest. Woo! Congratulations, one and all. I would like to thank the university staff who planned and executed the commencement ceremonies today. And I want to express my appreciation to the faculty, administrators, and staff who gave their time today to participate. And now, Comets, we have one last assignment for you before we let you graduate. So would you all please stand one last time? I know it's a lot of up and down, like the wave. Okay, so grab your tassel, and you get to move it now from the right side to the left side. Woo! And for those of you who have class rings, I now invite you to turn them so that they face away from you to point outward toward your future, symbolically pointing to your place in the larger world of UTD alumni. You may now be seated. Let me be the first to offer my warmest congratulations to you and my very best wishes for a prosperous and joyful future. In addition to earning the degrees conferred upon you today, you've earned the right to be associated with a very special group of individuals. You may now call yourselves alumni of the University of Texas at Dallas. I know for a fact that we have some alumni with us today. Could I ask all UTD graduates in the Activity Center to join our new alumni and stand to be recognized? So if you graduated from UTD, please stand to be recognized. Welcome back to our alumni. This day marks a wonderful milestone, not only in your lives, but also in the life of the university. I wish you the best as you go into your new lives as graduates of the University of Texas at Dallas. Enjoy your day of celebration with family and friends, and return to us soon. And now I ask for all to please rise as able and join us in the singing of the UT Dallas alma mater, led by a recording of the university's premier a cappella group, Novus.
UT Dallas, orange and green, founders' vision, every dream, to inflame the scholar's heart, lighting pathways through the dark, reaching out from earth to space, serving all the human race, joined as one in unity, alma mater UTD.
Graduates, please remain standing. Will the audience please be seated? In a moment, the administration and faculty will recess through the rear doors of the auditorium, after which our graduates will also recess. Graduates, please pay attention to the staff from the Erik Jonsson School of Engineering and Computer Science as they ask you to recess one row at a time. Once the graduates have left, friends and family may leave from the doors where you entered, Exit out the building and turn right. You may join your graduates at the Davidson Gundy Alumni Center.